liking that one very much, and that's the way I'm going to handle it. Now switching over to the free video. Just look at how these markets are moving today. Now these markets are not closed yet, so one trade you could do is, if we close up here, you could try and buy a pullback to 1336 on the S&P 500 futures, or look for 60-minute trades in the FTSE in the morning, because these markets are very, very strong, and there's a lot of good stocks out there, like this one we've been talking about on the premium video, and this one. So all good moves and doing very, very well. What I want to talk to you briefly about today is going to keep on the theme of Forex. This is the pound weekly. If you have been trading the pound and getting chopped around, this is why. The weekly chart is right under the 200 EMA there. It's very bullish 2 weeks out of 3. We just hit the 200 EMA and are hitting a lot of resistance. So we're trapped between the 200 and the 80 EMA on the weekly. Hence the reason why the daily is just drifting. So we've got the third day of a lower close here, but we are holding the 8 and we are holding major support. So I had a long trade before I went away on a break last week and came back to some decent profits on the back of this move here, on the back of the break of this hammer, but at the moment nothing to do on that one. One trade you might want to consider is this euro pound. If you look at the weekly, we've got a breakout of this trendline resistance on the weekly chart. We have got resistance just slightly above us up here. You've got to be very cautious on that level. But if you've got this daily chart here, has had a nice close above at least the last week's trading action. If you can get a pullback to 88.60 with a stop at 87.90, so it's only a 70-point stop, then see if we can break out of 89 and get up to 90. So there's potentially 140 points profit in it for you, but you've got to have a 90-point stop. So it's not a brilliant risk-reward ratio. What I would suggest you do is look at other euro pairs and see if you can find one that has got a higher probability and a better risk-reward ratio. Okay, if you want a wider range of suggestions and observations and chart analysis, then you need the premium video, and email me for details on the premium video. Okay, I really hope that helps. I hope you're enjoying this fantastic weather wherever you are, and see you at the next update.